Hey guys, welcome back to Real Auto Solutions. My name's Jack. Got a 2022 Rav4 hybrid in here today. Essentially Rav4 hybrid. We're going to change the high voltage battery filter, and it is RBA 102 for this model. And you want to be changing this filter regularly. Make sure, bloody hell, bloody flies today, your battery is essentially not overheating. We want adequate airflow to the battery at all times, so we just need to pop this cover off. I feel like it's probably more up this side, but there is a little screw trim clip down the bottom there. Just take that trim clip out with the little Phillips head screwdriver. So just taking the clip out, little trick with these ones is, because it's a plastic screw, you just want to unscrew it very lightly. Don't put any pressure actually on the screw. There you can see the trim clip. So hopefully now we can pop this sucker out. Keyword being hopefully. Can't get my fingers in there. Might get a little tool. Okay, so just use this little tool just to get underneath there. Just give it a bit of a pull this way. We've undone the clips. You can actually see how dusty it does get down there. And we've also got our safety release plug. So if we take this over to the bench, see our filter. So yeah, you want to be doing this sort of stuff to keep good life in the battery. It's not going to be, you know, super detrimental to it, but it is going to help. You can see how much dust is coming out of this. Look, very dirty. I'd say chances are never been changed. Look at that. Filthy. So I'll just give this a bit of a blow off as well. Look at all the debris from the filter. So anyway, we've just given that a bit of a clean up with some compressed air. And like I say, we'll pop this filter back in, RBA 102. Actually interesting, we can sort of see through that one. You can see the difference there of how blocked that filter actually is. Again, we need nice airflow. So we've got it back together. I just had to put it in with two hands, hold it and sort of clip it in this way and then work its way in. It's pretty easy to change this thing, to be fair. And also, this is the first time I've seen this car, and I'll show you the cabin filter. That's also very gross. So it's going to be getting cabin filter, and then we can just give it a service as well. But essentially, might actually even give that one a clean out. I'll give that a little bit of a blowout as well. Okay, got that cleaned up. Now filter, and we can just clip that back in. This part was actually not clipping in very well at the start either. Anyway, and then you just want to pop your clip back in. I'll see if I can sort this out a little bit better. Yeah, so that's it. This is actually a 2022 Rav4 hybrid, and that's your high voltage battery filter being changed out. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel if this has helped you. and we'll catch you at the next one. Take care.